I have something really cool. Really cool. It's also viral. I'm not as easy to be. It's usually like viral. After this, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I know. I'm gonna do a tutorial. I just haven't asked. But I just want to know. Because it would be fun to do a makeup tutorial. So, just put a cool later in here. And I can use this purple. This color. It looks like a purple glittery. Okay, I'm gonna do gold on the other side. And I can watch gold. That's it. Gold. Okay. Okay, I have that now. Pretty pretty good. I think it's fun. I'm gonna put on this for doing something that I don't want to do. I'm gonna get some nails. I mean, like, nails. I'm not the good ones. The ones that are like, I'll get nails, but they're gonna be like, acrylic ones. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put this right now, change. Okay, I know this. Let's push it through some 1,000 lights. I know. I don't know what to do now. So, I'm just gonna bring the thing. I don't know what to do. My cousin's friend. My cousin's friend. Guys, I don't want to post it yet because it's kind of viral. I know, like, really viral for me. Like, see them on video. I want to watch him in a few new videos.